In this video, I'm going to show you the best export settings for YouTube in DaVinci Resolve. So if you want to upload your videos in the highest quality possible, then I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, the first thing is from DaVinci Resolve, we need to go and click on Settings in the bottom right hand side. Now click on the drop down arrow next to the timeline resolution. And if your video footage was shot in 920 by 1080, then go and select that from the list. However, if you shot your video footage in 4K and you want the best quality possible, then go and change this to 3840 x 2160 Ultra HD. Now just remember, you'll only need to change this setting if your video footage was shot in 4K, and then you can go and press save. Now to go and get the best export settings, we need to click on Deliver in the bottom navigation, and then over in the left hand side click on Custom Export. You can then go and give your file a name, scroll down to Format and go and select QuickTime. For the codec, you want this set to H.264. Now click on the drop down arrow next to resolution, and if your video footage was shot in 920 by 1080, then go and select that. If your video footage was shot in 4K, then you can select 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. Click on the drop down arrow next to frame rate, and I like to leave mine at the timeline frame rate. You can then scroll down to quality and set this to automatic. Click on the drop down arrow and make sure this is set to best. And then you can just go and press add to render queue, and that's going to give you the best export settings for YouTube. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.